Hey Bennington boat lovers, it's Josh with MarineMax in Greenville. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a new 2026 Bennington 23 MFB that just came in the showroom. This one's in the white color with the silver anodized aluminum. We've got a platinum rub rail insert on here. This is a tri-tune with the SPS package. 23-foot boat. We've got our integrated dock lights and nav lights up here. That really sleek look. This is the Luxe package on this M. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more features. Hey, we're back here at the back of the boat. We've got our extended aft deck. We've got a nice flagpole mount here with an American flag that comes with the boat. Our Bennington cleats. And this is the fastback, so we have that nice curved radius around the rear seating with our rear firing speakers. Walking around to this side, you can see that we've got a Mercury 250 on the back of this boat with the ski tow bar and the lily pad boarding ladder. One of my favorite features on these boats is these lily pad ladders. They're really easy to retrieve and deploy. They're spring assisted. Wide steps makes it really easy to get in and out of the boat. Let's hop on board and I can show you some interior features. We're up here in the bow of the 23 MFB. As I mentioned earlier, this boat has the Luxe package, so you'll see that denoted here on the upholstery, as well as this really nice diamond stitching throughout. We've got a lot of space underneath for storage in our roto-molded seat bases. We've got our speakers up underneath. They've got these nice grills that make it match with the rest of the interior. This interior is in the Dolce color. We've got a centerline table. Once again, in these chase lounges, there's cup holders on both sides, as well as a nice little phone charger for your phone. In the center of this boat, we've got in-floor storage. And over here on the port side, we've got a nice wine rack, as well as a pull-out trash can, flip-up tabletop. And for you dog lovers, we've got our bowls down here on the bottom. Moving over to the helm, we've got the 12-inch Vivid UX screen up top here. This is going to have our integrated mapping, a wireless phone charger tucked away down in the shade to keep your phone out of the sun. We've got our 7-inch Vivid UX screen here for all of our digital switching and our accessories and our radio. We also have the quick control for our Rockford Fosgate radio here, so you can quickly adjust your audio volume or your track, or pause it if you'd like. Sitting down at the helm, we've got our tilt steering wheel, and as always in these Benningtons, we've got a perfectly positioned binnacle, so our throttle is right there at arm level. We don't have to reach up here, or it's not too far back. This dash is also going to have a main power switch and our horn button right here, and I believe this dash also has the automatic nav lights, which is really nice. It's similar to the automatic lights. Going to come on at night whenever it starts getting dark, and those nav lights will come on for you. We've got a raised platform on this helm, 2 super comfortable captain's chairs, or captain and co-captain's chairs rather. Cup holders over here to the port side. Moving back, we've got comfortable chase lounges in the rear, fold down armrests on all 4 of these lounges, storage underneath, and then more phone chargers tucked away down there. This boat's going to have our power Bimini top, so that makes it real easy to retrieve or to open and close and get out of the sun. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville showroom.